Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go! This week has started with the indecision candle, we can see it here, where the bulls or the bears could not push the price in any direction, and the day has closed inside the previous candle body, which was a clear indication that there is a fight between the bulls and the bears. On Tuesday, we can see a large bearish candle that took the price below all the previous candles here and also below this support line, which was a good signal that the price could move down outside from this area. But on the next day, on a Wednesday, we have a strong bullish candle that took the price back inside this small range where the price was, and then the price has closed below, slightly below these two candles, which means the price could not maintain this pressure, this bullish pressure, to push the price above. These two candles also looks like a false breakout to the downside, and that is the reason why, because the price has gone outside from this area, did not close back to this previous support, which should act as a resistance, and then return back down. If that happened, that would mean that it would be a complete breakout to the downside, but the price returned back inside, which means this move was a false breakout. Then on a Thursday we have also a strong candle with a small body, where the price has stayed inside this candle, which means the price could not move to the upside or the downside. This also means that this bullish pressure here, which took the price back above, signals that there is bulls here waiting, and this demand zone is pretty strong, which will prevent the price from moving down. But on the Friday we can see this candle with the large wicks, and also where the price has closed above previous two candles body high, which means the price has found some kind of strength to push the price a little bit above. But as a final decision, the price is still inside this area, which is indecision area for the bulls and the bears. We can see a strong wick on the downside, where the bulls are pushing the price higher on the higher level, and also they took the price above previous candles. You can see it here above these three candles, and the bears on the upside has pushed the price down. So we are currently here in this area where the price cannot go outside, so it is a range area which we need to be broken. For the next week, the same analysis stay as the previous week, where we need to wait until the price breaks above this level, which will mean that the price is ready to go to the upside. But if the price again breaks below and the price doesn't return back inside on the next candle, but it continues to move down, then we will have a bearish scenario where the price will target this area below. First level where the price will stop will be this one, where the lows of these candles body is, and then this week where is the lowest level on the previous attempt to go down to reach this support area. We need to pay attention that this also a pin bar that has formed right on the support level is some kind of a bullish signal, and also these three candles looks much more bullish, so we need to pay attention where the price will move next week. Pay attention that these levels on the upside and also on the downside must be broken to be as a first signal where the price will move in the following days. Pay attention that also the price currently is in between these two support and resistance levels, so it is not smart to enter into the trade because of the bad risk to reward ratio. In the previous analysis I have mentioned that it is also not good to enter at this price where the price was, but to wait here until the price reaches support level. This has happened, and if you have entered into this trade, it's good. And if you look on a 4-hour time frame, you will see that there was a signal as a bullish pin bar that the price could move up. This is the signal, and also we had a strong and we had a strong bullish signal here. So if you have entered at this point where the price has formed a bullish pin bar, it is a nice entry with a stop loss a little bit below, targeting higher levels. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, we will see what has happened. The price is currently at the same level where the week has started, but we have a large wicks on the downside and a little bit smaller wick on the upside, which gives us information that this bullish demand zone is much stronger, that has prevented the price from moving down. The week has slightly ended as a bullish candle, but this is complete indecision candle, so we need to wait until the price makes a breakout on the upside or the downside. On a monthly time frame, where the month will end with tomorrow, we can see that there is a strong retrace from this level and the price is continuing to moving up. So we can expect the price will stay a little bit here for the next month, but there is also a possibility that the price will find some kind of supply zone here or here, which will push the price back down, because a strong selling pressure is here also, and the highest is here. Everything depends in the following days what will happen until the price goes outside from this indecision area, so pay attention to this and act accordingly. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!